What's Up Aliens? What's inside an XShot? Let's have a look together. Ah, not much, is it now? Having to do this backwards because the camera's on the other side of me, so pull that back. Oh yeah, standard plunger, tube, thing, spring, and everything else. Other than that, get a good shot there. Oh yeah, works all good. Alright, get up, pull, and shoot. XShot. She's a nice one. She also coincides with the Nerf single. This be a good one. Yeah, all good though. So, see what's inside that one. Not going to open up this one just yet. Not just yet. Maybe another day. Anyway.